Alright, so this is my first live video, so forgive me if there are mistakes, whatever. Things aren't really set up to do a video. I just have it leaning on some books, so hopefully in the future it'll be a little bit better. So I think we'll wait and get some more people watching, and then we will unbox things. So in the meantime, tell me what you think might be in this box here. If you get a couple people that guess it right, maybe I'll give out some free stuff. Alright, we'll just wait just a little bit longer for some more people to hop on, since a lot of people commented on the post, and then we will open her up. And feel free to ask any questions or whatever, and I'll try to answer. Yes, it's merch that I had made from a vendor in China, actually. And I didn't expect it to actually arrive until about the first week of June, so this is kind of a surprise. So that's why it's last minute throwing together this the video. So yeah, for the new people watching, feel free to take a guess at what you think is in here, and if you know, a couple people get it right or get pretty close, then I think I'll probably send a couple free things out to people. Hi Lindsay, I haven't seen you in a while. Alright, since there's about 25 people, I guess we will go ahead and start. And I'll say I haven't actually seen these, I've only seen the digital proof, so hopefully the quality is pretty good. Otherwise I'll be a little disappointed. So it did come from a manufacturer in China, but it's actually made from recycled material, so that's a good thing. That's a good guess, Danielle. I actually have been looking into some stationery because I know a lot of people like that stuff. So, initial inspection, I'm pretty happy with it. They look good. So let's open it up and take a look. All right, so whoever guessed keychains was right. So these are double-sided, double-board acrylic keychains. So typically with acrylic keychains, they have the print printed on one side and it's white on the other, and when it's one-sided, typically you can scratch the actual print and it can scratch it off. But these are double-sided, so it's actually printed on the inside. So it's pretty durable and you won't actually damage it if it's, you know, against your keys in your purse or whatever. So let's actually take it out and take a look at it. And just so you know, these are for every Outdoor Cup team. So I have all 18 teams. So logos for all of them. So it looks pretty nice, high quality, good thickness. And it's a nice, nice easy clasp to put on your keys or on your backpack or wherever. So hopefully. So that's Mystery Island. Next one is my personal favorite, Crelador, of course. Let's see what else we got. Then we have Kiko Lake. And feel free, if you guessed keychains in the beginning, feel free to send me a private message and I'll send you your favorite team. So, and then also I'll be ordering clasps that are gold stars, since Neopets is known for yellow stars, that you can actually add. So instead of this regular clasp, you would have like a gold star. So those are kind of cool. But as I said, these came in early, so I didn't expect them to get here this quick. Otherwise, I would have those star clasps. So then we have the Lost Desert. This one I was really worried about just because it's kind of intricate, but it's Morocco, and it turned out really well. And they're a good size. They're about 2 inches, 2 inches by 2 inches. So there's Bright Veil and Terrania. I'm really happy with this, how this turned out. They got a lot of the detail really well. Let's see. So yeah, I didn't think about the jelly team, so maybe that's something I can have made in the future, because I totally forgot about that logo and that team. So there's Altador and Haunted Woods. I saw someone earlier say that that was their favorite team. Then there's Fairyland. Sorry, I know it's shiny. Maybe I'll take them out of the package. One of each team. And then Rue Island. Shinku. They do look really good. I'm really excited. They look a lot better than I thought they would. And there's Meridell. Yeah, I think if I do end up being able to sell these, I'll probably have like a discount for buying more than one, and then probably a discount for buying a whole set. Because I know that since there's 18 teams, that'll be a little expensive. But I know some people would like to collect them just for the sake of collecting. So here's Moltara. And then Croc Island. Yeah, I saw a lot of the keychains were typically like square or round, so I'm glad I found a company that can do the actual cutout. It makes it look a lot better. As you can see, I ordered quite a lot. But it was just an initial run to kind of see how they could do. This one I was concerned about the spikes, but they handled them really well. They look really nice. Let me see if I can take this one out. So yeah, it looks really nice. Nice quality. Sorry, my iPad's kind of old, so the video quality isn't great. And they're a pretty good thickness too. But they're still lightweight. let's see, what other teams are we missing? We have Terror Mountain. And of course, Virtue Pets. I have to sift through all these and organize them. Let's see, what teams are we missing? Which one haven't I pulled out here? Okay, I think that's all 18 teams. And like I said, maybe in the future I'll do the jelly team, just because I honestly completely forgot about that team. So, sorry for everybody who likes that team. But it was fairly easy to order from them, so it's not impossible to order more. But I'm not sure if you can actually see, but you can see the design is actually sandwiched between two pieces of acrylic. So it's not actually printed on the outside, so there's no scratching it. Alright, so like I said in the beginning, if you guessed keychains, feel free to send me a personal message and I will send you your favorite team, send you out one for free. So I think there was about 3 or 4 different people who guessed keychains. So yeah, I don't know exactly when I'm going to be selling these. I'm still in the process of putting together a web store. It's almost completed, but I'm still putting the final touches on it. So I'll definitely let everybody know whenever that's completed and ready to go. And like I said, I'm still in the beginning phases of the discussions with TNT and their agency that handles licensing agreements. So I'm hoping to have stuff finalized in the near future. I'd really like to get these to be able to sell them, obviously, during the Outdoor Cup. So let's cross our fingers and hope for that. But I think that's everything. So, like I said, if you guessed keychains in the beginning, send me a message and I'll send you your favorite team for free. And yeah, so I appreciate you all joining my very first live video. So hopefully you guys like these products, and I'm hoping to be able to sell these here soon. So, and obviously if TNT backs it, it'll be official merchandise. So that'll be nice. And I'm gonna press them to potentially allow me to attach rare item codes to everything. So that's a real big plus. So I'll let everybody know the status of the merchandising agreement and how things go as soon as I hear something and we work out details. So thank you guys for joining.